Pressure clear. Wishbone aligned. Down slowly. Slowly, contact, set, cure time. Perfect. 627 horsepower, 480. Heat shield's perfect. Steady on the left, aligning now. Right side clear, keep it straight. In position, locking it down. Pressure clear, extracting. Copy, crane down. Hook, lifting now. Yeah. Steady. Wishbone aligned, torquing now. Copy, front right is tight. Rear left wishbone set, checking alignment. Rear right is good, ready for next. Down slowly. Left side 2 millimeters. Hold. Okay, lowering now. Easy does it. Gaps are perfect. Confirmed. Central seat base secured. Moving to bolsters. Left seat bolsters aligned. Right seat ready for trim. Aligning left edge, hold steady. Right side good, ready to lower. Okay, down slowly, contact, set, cure time. Loosening lock bolt, inserting shim for camber, tightening to spec, perfect geometry. Starter engaged, it's firing. V12 is alive, perfect idle. Exhaust is clear, first heartbeat successful. Exhaust heat signature is stable, good flow. Data logging confirms. Oil pressure is all the way into 1200. Looks good. No leaks visible. All seals are tight. Connections are secure. No issues here. Engine bay is smoke-free. All systems nominal. Okay, moving forward. Keep it steady. Good. Suspension is reacting well. Hold speed. Perfect run. Mechanical integrity. First drive complete. Solid as a rock. Perfect. 627 horsepower, 480 torque, a flawless BMW M power curve. Okay, push it in steady now. Copy that. Positioning mirrors. Doors closing. Checklist ready. Good. Let's begin. Clear coat flawless here. Panel gap within spec. Torque marks verified. Fluid levels and seals confirmed. Wiring secure, heat shields perfect. Suspension components checked, no damage. Exhaust system verified, no leaks. Factory protection intact on critical areas. Final approval confirmed. Vehicle is passed. Excellent work. Congratulations. Delivery prep can begin. Being confirmed. SBM 5015GA, Fenders build sheet. Plate is secure. All right, ease it forward. Watch the ramp. Good, straight in, keep it slow. Hold, it's set, secure the straps. Vehicle fully secured, climate control active.
Confirmed. How's the tracking?
Documentation is in order.
Copy. Secure for departure.
Backing in, guided steady. Keep coming, straight back. Stop, door closing. Proceed to next phase. Latch is clear, opening now. Interior lights on, condition confirmed, safe transport. Easy now, keep it straight. Clear on the floor, good stop. Check the cover. Pre-delivery inspection commencing. Checklists and tools ready. Exterior and interior confirming absolute perfection.